You are welcome to class. Today we are going to be looking at the topic linear equations. So let's see an example of a linear equation. X plus 3 equals to 7 is a linear equation because the highest power of the variable x is 1. But this equation that you are seeing right away now is not a linear equation. Why? Because the highest power of the variable x there is 2. So for a linear equation, the highest power of the variable has to be 1. So this type of equation is called quadratic equation. So let's see the first example right there. So example 1, we're asked to solve the equation 4x minus 7 equals to x plus 2. So let's see how to do that. We just simply collect like terms. First, we subtract x from both sides of the equation. We simplify. We have 3x minus 7 equals to 2. Now we add 7 to both sides of the equation so that 3x can stand alone. So when we do that, we have 3x equals to 9. So to make x stand alone, we divide both sides of that equation by 3. So 3x over 3 is equal to 9 over 3. Okay, so and that simplifies to x is equal to 3. So now let's see equations involving brackets. Second example, solve the equation. So have the equation right there. Because of the bracket, the first thing we need to do is to open the bracket by using the number outside the bracket to multiply those numbers inside the bracket. So let's do that. So let's simplify a little bit. So 2x minus s is minus x, minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8. The first thing, we add 8 to both sides of the equation. So we have minus s equals to 1 plus 8, minus s equals to 9, divide both sides by negative 1, s is minus 9. Okay, now let's see equations that has to do with fractions. Third example, example 3. Solve the equation. So we have the equation right there. So the first thing we need to do is to subtract half from both sides. So we are taking the 1 over 2 to the other side because it's a constant. Let it meet the other constant. So when we do that, we have 5 over 2x plus 1 equals to 7 minus 1 over 2. So 5 over 2x plus 1, we simplify 7 minus 1 over 2 and we get 13 over 2. Okay, so the next thing we need to do now is to cross multiply. So we are going to see how to do that with the aid of an arrow. Okay, that multiply that and this multiply that. So we have 13 into 2x plus 1 equals to 5 times 2. We open the bracket of the left hand side. 26 plus 13 equals to 10. We subtract 13 from both sides. We have 26 equals to minus 3. We divide both sides by 26 and our x is minus 3 over 26. So right here I have some assessment question. Endeavor you solve everything correctly. If you have any challenge, you watch the video again. Thank you.